Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you the difference between OpenClaw, Claude Code, and Cowork, and when to use each of these tools. So let's first start by Claude Code. Claude Code is extremely interesting when you're trying to work on code, on computer code. So if you're running a project and you have, and almost everything on the project is it's code-based, Claude Code is the best tool for you. So it's quite easy to use. You can use it with the tool already on terminal or with an integration with VS Code. It's up to you. So with the tool, you just have to choose the project you want to work on and actually just ask to the AI to walk you through the process or to add features to your project and things like that. The only drawback here is you need to be a bit technical, okay? You need to understand how to run the code. You need to understand how to do certain things that you wouldn't need with many of the AI coding tools. So Claude Code is basically a bit like Cursor or Anti-Gravity, mainly for your code projects. Now, what is Cowork? Cowork is also for computer use, but mainly for administrative tasks. So you can give access to Cowork to a specific folder, and it will read images there, files, PDF, Excels, and be able to work on these files for you. So for Cowork, for example, we can just randomly choose a project here. Let's say my desktop folder, and I can say, reorganize my desktop folder for me, read all my screenshot, get some insight there and add them to an Excel file. So for example, if I have a folder of receipts, I can say, go into this receipt, extract all the information that are important and give me an Excel file of all of these informations. So Cowork is actually made for that. And funny enough, Claude just released a feature called Dispatch. And Dispatch, what it is exactly? It is a way for you to control Cowork or Claude Code from a different device, okay, from your phone, for example. So it's kind of now overlapping with OpenClaw because OpenClaw gives you a bit of this flexibility to work with your agents when you're just walking around. But now you can do it with Cowork as well in Claude Code. So what you need to do is you connect your phone to your running session here, and you're able to control what's happening on your computer directly from your phone. Now, why use OpenClaw when you already have Cowork in Claude Code? Good question. OpenClaw is way more extensible and it gives a bit of freedom that Claude Code and Cowork doesn't give you. And this freedom comes with responsibility, of course. So you need to make sure that what you're doing is secure, because OpenClaw can run a lot of things on the computer, on the host computer. Reason why it's not safe to run it on your computer, okay? You can run Cowork or Claude Code on your computer and restrict it to only change things in one folder, and it will ask you for permissions for anything it's doing. So if you're coding, you will get feedbacks and you will iterate on these feedbacks. You can accept changes, you can remove changes if you want to. And with OpenClaw, you're just giving commands. Code is being generated on the fly and executed on the fly. Most of the time, you don't get any feedback on what's generated. It can contain security risk, like executing codes that's adding backdoor to your server or pushing insecure code online. But you can do way more, right? For example, we just build a project, deploy it, and bootstrap a CMO to talk to the CTO and schedule post, push SEO content and all that. And we can also just connect anything we want. We can connect our email database now, or connect our Apollo or whatever we want, and ask to our OpenClaw to actually go use these tools. Any tool you can access using code to do way more things like launching cold email campaigns, posting contents and things like that. Things that are kind of hard to do with Claude Code or with Cowork. So OpenClaw gives you this flexibility in terms of what you can do, and you need to be careful when you use these things. So they have overlapping features. So for example, on our CTO video, we could have used, I'll put the link in the description by the way, you could have used Claude Code for that. It would have been way better in terms of output. But we just wanted to show, I just wanted to show you how you can use OpenClaw and make multiple agents collaborate to work together. So I think that's the end of the series. In maybe the next one, we'll kind of use Claude Code Dispatch or Claude Dispatch to actually make Claude control our OpenClaw agents. So we can directly talk to Claude and have Claude Cowork in this case, and have this executive summary, this brand like vision board and all that, all this static document presentation being generated, and creating tasks based on that on our Trello, and our OpenClaw agents can pick them up and execute based on that. So thank you for watching, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe. New video coming soon, and see you in the next one. Peace.